DORA and space, how are they different? How do you use that? What's your advice on that question?
It is a question I get constantly. And I think it actually highlights some of the challenges the space framework presents, some of the limitations, if you will. DORA is, in my mind, not a system for measuring developer experience. It's a way of measuring deployment efficiency. And it is incredible at that. It is the gold standard. And I think a lot of the success that DORA has found comes from this notion that it is very prescriptive. It says, here are a set of metrics that you can go and use, and using them are going to lead to the kinds of outcomes that you are looking for. And clearly there's a lot of appetite for that. That is not what space is. Space is not a prescriptive framework that says, okay, here's the recipe you should follow to deploy it. Here are our set of recommended metrics, and here's how you should think about them, and here are the activities you could go do and drive them. And that is clearly missing. And this is where, things like the work that you are continuing with the DX Core 4, I think are really picking it up. Because the kinds of questions I am getting are, hey, with DORA, I got these sets of metrics. What are the set of metrics that I should use? In space, we give some example metrics that are, in many ways, they feel like an afterthought. But it's like, what are the specific metrics I should use? And how do I go about starting to collect them? And, when I talk about the differences between some of these frameworks, there's a difference between like that prescriptive element and also then, what is just a set of ideals, if you will, to build out that framework.